Okay, so something that's really interesting, and I seen a lot of these results. This is by searching coronavirus on GitHub and looking at the first results, and some of the more popular ones are quite interesting. So here you could actually see like a Python data flow query for the actual coronavirus. There's also the Global Citizen report is all open sourced for the coronavirus, so you could do build world or build China or build Italy and stuff like that for actual places that you wanna target in terms of like actually building a data map. Here you also have the query stats, so if you actually want to run like a query through like I believe it would be like a SQL database, or I don't know if he's using SQL or just or just something with Redup or Zplot or something like that. I'm not sure if he's like using ggplot or using SQL. I think he's just mainly using Redup and maybe like SQL instance. But here is a query related packets for the coronavirus. Here you have another analysis thing. So this data analysis in Python, specifically Python Notebook. So looking at Python Notebook for something like that is actually quite interesting in terms of that. You could also look at location, district data, specific CSV data for the Chinese population, and use that to categorize the data in China for actual cases of the coronavirus. So Bureau. So this is all in HTML, so unfortunately I can't directly view it right now, but you get a general idea. Here is their Chinese documentation for that in Markdown. Here you have this forecast model, which is a statistical model for the actual coronavirus. And very interestingly well built dashboard. I would have to say that he has the English version, which is quite nice, but the fact that he's able to integrate all of this in terms of like statistical analysis and building a dashboard and stuff like that is quite impressive. It shows you like all the access to really good data repositories that resulted in terms of like the open source community getting together and building really cool projects, even if it's in relation to a pandemic such as this one.